How's it going, guys? Butcher's Block here again, and today I have a Loto Master Loto Lockout Tagout lock. It is a I don't know what the model number is. The model number is on these guys, but it's got 401 keyway. Really nice and paracentric. This is the bitting. And normal with the Lotos, dead call, janky, plasticky. But these guys have pretty nice calls in them for the Masters. So I do have, I think I have picked this guy before with the, was it this guy? Oh, I can't remember. I picked one Loto lock before. Oh yeah, it was that guy. I know he made a rattle out of him. But I've picked this once. I picked it today on my lunch break, and I just thought, hey, let's try and get it on camera. All right. Oh, you stay there, please. All right, so just going to be using bottom of the keyway, and I'll start off with a Euro hook from my dark shift, and finish off with a I forget what this one is. A standard hook sort of thing. All right. So light to medium tension, all the way to the back to start. Hit 5, a little click on him, click on 4, a little bit of core movement, but it feels like I overset him. Well, hit 2, nice core movement. That was 3, lost my false set. Generally means I either overset or I dropped the serrated. Let's get a little bit of tension. Touched 1 and then got my false set back. Was it 2? Alright, what do we got? Alright, all the way to the back. 5 feels good. We'll click on 3. 2 is binding pretty heavily. Really deep false set now. All right, let's check everyone. 1 seems loose, and got it open. So on that one, I overset 1, let tension off, and he just dropped into place. Beautiful. All right, let's lock this guy back up before I make a rattle out of him. There he goes back that way, yeah. Oh. Haha. Beautiful. All right. So, yep, that was Master Lotto Lock with the 401 keyway. And that will be all for me tonight. And hooroo.